satisfaction of watching your favorite movies without subtitles. And don't be afraid to making mistakes. Each error is a learning opportunity, a chance to improve. The joy of connecting with others. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and fellow learners, we gather here today we talk about a powerful tool that can open doors, bridge cultures and transform lives. The English language. Whether you are just a beginning or a journey or looking to refine your skills, learning English can be a life-changing endeavor. The global language of opportunity. English is more than just a language. It's a passport to a world of opportunities. It's most widely spoken language globally, connecting people from different backgrounds and cultures. In business, academia, travels, and digital world, English is often the common ground. By mastering English, you equip yourself with a skill that can enhance your career prospects, expand your horizons, and allow you to communicate with the people from all over the world. Personal growth and confidence. Learning English is not just about memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. It's a journey of personal growth. As you learn, you will gain confidence in expressing your thoughts and ideas. You will discover new way of thinking and see the world from different perspectives. This journey challenges you, pushes your limit, and help you grow as an individual. Overcoming challenges. Of course, like any worthwhile pursuit, learning English comes with its challenges. You may feel overwhelmed by grammar rules, frustrated with pronunciation, or hesitant to speak. But remember, every mistake is a stepping stone to improvement. The key is perseverance. Celebrate small victories, practice consistently, and don't be afraid to making mistakes. Each error is a learning opportunity, a chance to improve. The joy of connecting with others. One of the most rewarding aspects of learning English is the ability to connect with others. It allows you to share stories, exchange ideas, and build relationships across cultures. Imagine the joy of traveling to a new country and being able to communicate with locals, or the satisfaction of watching your favorite movies without subtitles. These experiences enrich your life and broaden your understanding of the world. Resource and support. Today we have more resources than ever to help us learn English. From online courses and apps to language exchange program and local classes. There is something for everyone. Take advantage of these resources. Set achievable goals and create a learning routine that works for you. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow learners and native speakers who can guide and motivate you. In closing, I encourage each of you to embrace the challenge of learning English with enthusiasm and determination. It's not just a skill, it's an investment in yourself and your future. Remember, every word you learn, every sentence you speak, bring you one step closer to become fluent and confident. So take that step today and let the journey begin. Let commit to making English a part of our daily lives, whether through a reading, listening, speaking, or writing. Let's practice and improve a little each day. Together, we can unlock the incredible power of language and open up a world of the possibilities. Engage in English speaking environments. Join clubs or groups. Participate in book clubs, discussion groups, or other activities where English is spoken. And second, travel. If possible, visit English speaking countries. Consistent practice. Set daily goals. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Trace your progress. Keep a journal of new words, phrases, and concepts you have learned. Feedback and correction. Language tutor. Work with a tutor for guidance. Online correction. Websites like a Grammarly can help with writing. Stay motivated. Set clear goals. You know why you want to improve and what you have hoped to achieve. Celebrate milestone. Acknowledge your progress along the way. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you will gradually improve your English skill. The key is constant. Thank you, and let's start speaking English today. Feel free to adapt this speech to fit your style and audience. Thank you.